Shadow and Frame, the sound editor for Blind, opens most sound formats and is controlled only by the keyboard. It has a user-friendly, flexible interface. Program speaks everything what is needed using installed voices and omits unimportant things. We move using cursor arrows.
Track 2, Track 3, Track 2.
Home and keys.
Moving to start.
Very useful are page up and page down. After pressing, I move by a small step and play. To select, just hold a shift key.
Clear selection. Start selecting. Stop selecting.
Sound editor uses typical keyboard shortcuts for cutting, copying, deleting.
Delete. Start selecting. Stop selecting.
After selecting, we can also add some sound effects.
Options. Rechange echo change equalizer. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15.
Speaking Teacher is a universal program for learning foreign languages. It can also operate in mode for blind. Just press the tab key to switch.
Blind accessibility on.
There are tests for learning English, Polish, German and Russian. To choose the test file, use cursor arrows left, right, up and down.
Open test file. Open file PlayStick CD. Basic root N1. PlayStick CD. Recap.
EXIT.
Oczekiwać.
EX. ET. Expect.
In case of giving the wrong answer, it's possible to spell both the correct and the wrong answer by pressing F3 or F4.
Expect.
Correct answer.
EXPECT.
Or the cursor arrows for every single letter.
X. P. E. C. T.
Main menu. Open test file.
These and other programs for blind can be downloaded from my internet site www.sudermariusz.com.pl or check the link in the description.